Today's story starts with a girl who finds a secret message inside a dress while shopping. The message says only one thing: don't trust the shopkeeper. What happens next? Let's find out. It was a calm Sunday afternoon when a girl named Aisha decided to visit a new clothing store that had recently opened in her area. The store looked bright from the outside, almost too perfect, with shiny lights and well-arranged mannequins wearing beautiful outfits. Aisha loved fashion, so the colorful display pulled her inside. As she walked in, she noticed something strange. The store was completely silent. No music, no other customers, just a single shopkeeper standing behind the counter. He was staring at his phone and didn't even look up. Aisha gave a polite smile. "Hello?" she said softly. The shopkeeper didn't answer. He just nodded without interest. Aisha ignored the cold welcome and started browsing. She found a beautiful white dress with delicate embroidery. It looked like the perfect outfit for a weekend outing. She picked it up and walked toward the trial room. Inside the trial room, the lights were bright and clean. She slipped her hand inside the dress pocket to check if it had enough space for her phone. But instead of cloth, her fingers touched a small folded paper. Curious, she opened it. The message inside made her freeze. "Don't trust the shopkeeper." Her heart beat faster. She looked around the trial room, suddenly feeling like someone might be watching her. "Is this a joke?" she thought. "Or did someone put this message here for a reason?" She stepped out of the trial room, holding the dress tightly. She walked toward the shopkeeper and asked, "Excuse me? Is there someone else working here?" He looked annoyed. "No, only me. Why?" Aisha didn't mention the message. She didn't want him to know she found something. Instead, she pretended to check other dresses. As she moved across the store, she saw something even stranger. Most clothes had tags, but the white dress she picked up didn't have a price tag at all. She asked, "How much is this dress?" The shopkeeper gave a quick glance and said, "Not for sale." Aisha raised her eyebrow, but it was on the rack. He didn't reply. He simply said, "Choose something else." Now Aisha felt uneasy. Why would a dress be displayed if it wasn't for sale? And why did it have a warning inside? She walked around the store again, pretending to browse, but secretly searching for clues. That's when she noticed it. A small camera hidden behind a stack of folded clothes, pointed directly at the trial rooms. Her stomach tightened. She took out her phone and pretended to text, but she was actually recording a video. She slowly captured the camera, the dressing area, and the shopkeeper's behavior. When she looked up, the shopkeeper was watching her closely. His expression had changed. It wasn't bored anymore. It was serious. He walked toward her. "Did you find something?" he asked. Aisha forced a smile. "No, just choosing." Suddenly, the door opened. An older lady walked inside and said loudly, "Sir, the new CCTV team is here to check the cameras." Aisha's eyes widened. CCTV team? Cameras? Maybe the message wasn't a warning about danger. Maybe it was from someone telling her to report the hidden cameras. The shopkeeper looked nervous now. He rushed to the back of the store. The lady turned to Aisha and whispered, "Did you find a note?" Aisha nodded slowly. The lady sighed. "You're not the first. I work next door. Some customers complained. I'm helping the police collect proof." Aisha felt a chill. She handed the lady the note. The lady smiled gently. "Thank you. You helped more than you know."
Aisha left the store, relieved. She trusted her instincts. She didn't buy the dress. She didn't need to. She walked home thinking one thing. Sometimes a small message can save you from a big problem.